guys, PJoe in Pattaya. How you all doing? Down here on the beach, it's nearly 6 p.m. There's a few people around. It's Friday, 11th of February. There's some big buildings around here. I'm up near Soi 6. So I thought we'd have a look up there because a lot of people have said there's more bars opening up. It's a nice day today. Had a bit of rain yesterday. They also had the meeting about the bars and they're not changing anything, unfortunately. Still 11 p.m. closing. So it looks like another couple of weeks of that till the 1st of March. The footpath here is fairly quiet. And all the Chinese lanterns up. Right, let's get on the Pimpmobile. That little bar there's always busy, or should we say restaurants. See a bit of traffic as well. That shopping centre just there, the bay, that's still closed. Never been a success for some reason up there. All right, let's see if we can get across this road. Soi 6-1, the back alley, or maybe we shouldn't say the back alley. Good cafe there too, Cafe Amazon. And a big massage shop there, yellow massage. We're like 500 baht an hour, seems expensive. A kitty girl. So I hope everyone's doing okay. Pattaya still sort of in the lull of the calm before the storm, so to speak. Because until they get rid of this restriction, hello, and the 5-day test, which no one seems to want to do. The big hotel, that one. Little sections here. Hello. Spider Girl Bar. We'll go down there in a sec. Soi 6. We'll have a squiz. It's the back of the Queen Vic pub. That new hotel, I think it's called the Astor. That'll be close to Soi 6 if you're a Soi 6 fan. Oh no, it's just starting to sprinkle a bit of rain. That's no good. And here, corner bar that goes right the way through to Soi 6. Alright guys, you ready? Let's see what's happening down here. Money exchange is closed there. Tornado bar. This first section's always a bit quiet. And this is some sort of government building. Don't know if it's a money loan building. Hello. And as you can see, pretty quiet this section. Let's have a look at the special today. Gammon steak, egg and chips, 129 baht. The Queen Vic. It's always good in there. But look at these bars. Surely they would open some up. That's that little back alley there. Spider Girl. Zero. The bars are full of girls. Oh, someone ringing the bell there. Someone going off there. section's quite good here. Toy box, playpen, night wish. Very good. Well, that section was quite good there. Well, I might come back there for a couple of drinks. This was a big bar in there too. Pattaya bar. Well, there you go, guys. That was Soi 6. I know it's only 6 o'clock, but it is sort of an afternoon bar, so to speak. The sun's going down. Got Valentine's Day in a couple of days. The girls all love that. And there we are, back at the beach, just to say goodbye, Pattaya. Pretty quiet this end of town. We're packing up the chairs. But I thought I'd give you a quick look, guys, at Soi 6. It does look okay. I'm sure later on it gets busier, but by 11 o'clock everything closes. Look at this beach now. Quite clean. Even the water's clean. Surprising. But this is Uru from PJoe. Stay safe, everybody. It's over and out.